Hi guys, today I am solving Atcoder Beginner 236A Chokudai problem. So in this problem statement we have given a string of letter A to B and we have given two integers A and B, and we have to do is that we have to swipe the index at position A at index at position B. So swapping can be done in many ways. So I'm going to show how I have done it. I'll show you the whole code. If you are beginner, you can see that how you can swap the characters in a string. So I am writing first the library, then writing main, then writing the C program. Now first I am going to take an input. So for string I have declared S. For integer I have declared A comma B. Then I am going to take an input of string integer integer. Now we have given A and B with 1 base indexing, but C++ follow 0 base indexing. So we are going to minus minus, or you can write as A equals to A minus 1. Okay, then B minus minus. Then there is a swap function. You can swap S of A comma S of B, and we can print S and return 0. Let's see if the code is working or not. So answer should be Chokudai. Chokudai. It's then compiled. Yeah, it's correct. So let's try to submit it. So it's accepted. So thanks for watching our video, and if you have any doubt about it, you can ask in the comment section.